Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by prepping the clip and adding text immediately. Import your MP4 and scrub to the first frame where text should appear. Choose a clear font and size that reads at typical viewing distance, and set high contrast so text stays legible across scenes. Once done, place the text layer within safe margins using a 16:9 grid. Make sure to lock the clip and text layer so accidental edits don't move them while you adjust duration and timing. Now refine timing and styling so the text feels natural. Trim the text layer to match speech or beats and add a 0. 2 to 0. 5-second fade at the start or end to prevent abrupt pops. This helps readability. For visibility, add a subtle shadow or 1-2px stroke rather than heavy glows, and if you animate, use short 1 to 2 second slides or gentle scale, easing so motion supports the message rather than distracting from it. Finish by exporting a short test at your target bitrate and reviewing on both phone and desktop to confirm legibility. Once happy, export the full file and save your text style as a preset for consistency across projects. If text looks blurry, increase font size, avoid thin fonts, or export at a higher bitrate. Make sure scaling is 100% in the export settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if text shifts after export, check for unchecked rasterization or mismatched project and export resolutions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.